Hi guys, what's up? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of unboxing. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing episode because I've got caught up with work. But today I have the Tarmac Works and Schuko collaboration model, the Volkswagen Beetle, with the Mooneyes livery that Tarmac Works released in July onto their web store as well as to their official resellers worldwide. So I have the model here with me, so we are going to do the unboxing today for that particular model. And I've also got the Leen Customs Lapel pin that they have released along with this particular car on their website as well. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so guys, that's the car. It looks very tiny compared to the other models of the Tarmac Work releases. So it looks very tiny for a 1/64th scale car. So the wheels of the car moves very freely. It has a nice texture to its wheels. It has some nice alloy rims which comes in yellow color that complements the Mooneyes livery on this particular vehicle. So that's the front side of the car. You can see the Mooneyes livery again. So it says Moon equipped, and that's the rear side. So you also have the roof rack with some goodies, some suitcases. Unfortunately, they are not movable. So if you focus onto the interior, you can see that the interior is also nicely detailed as well. Okay, so that's the car, and it also comes with a cardboard container for you to store your car if you want. But again, Tarmac Works releases some nice blister packaging, so you can put the car back with its original packaging, and then you can keep it in your collection. So that's the unboxing of the car, and this is the Lapel pin that I'm going to remove. So let's take out the pin. So that's the Lapel pin that comes with the car, and it's been done by Leen Customs on behalf of Tarmac Works. And you also have the Mooneyes official product sticker that is there on the Lapel pin. So guys, that's it for the today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will get notified when we upload new videos in the upcoming releases. So until next time, stay tuned.